This is Henry, team leader at the website design and development team at Staff Leverage. And this is a quick tutorial on how to edit meta tags and SEO related fields for websites using WordPress. Let's get into it. So first, you're going to log in with your account on the correspondent site, which we'll provide for you. And once you're logged in, you should be able to see an item called All-in-One SEO on the left menu. If you don't, just click Plugins, find the All-in-One SEO pack and activate it. Once it's activated, you should be able to visualize the All-in-One SEO plugin right here on the left menu. With that set up, let's go to Pages, and you'll be redirected to a screen with a list of pages. From there, you should be able to edit both titles and descriptions of each page just by clicking on the pencil icon, type in what you want to type. For example, I'm going to type example title, right? And then just clicking on the green check mark icon to save it. And that's it. It's the same for the description. So if you want to edit other fields such as the URL, for example, you need to hover your mouse on the page you're interested in, click on Edit, and you'll be redirected once more to the WordPress page edit. Right below the title of the page, you'll find a blue link with a word permalink. If you click on the Edit button, you'll be able to customize the last body section of the link. I'm not gonna change it because right now it is how I want it, but you get the idea. And also, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll find a white box with a lot of different SEO fields such as title, description, no index, no follow check marks, and even you can preview the snippet on the Google or Bing snippets right here. You see, if I type something here, this is an example. It will appear right after on the snippet, just showing you what it's going to look like. So to save this or any other changes done on the page, simply click on the update blue button on the top right corner of the screen and wait until it refreshes. If this little page updated white box with a green border appears after refreshing, the changes are successfully saved. Now, going with the media tags, it's even easier. Just click on the media item on the left menu, and a library of the image of the sites will be displayed in a grid. To modify any of the tags of the images, simply click on them and fill in the information on these fields right here on the right top of the corner. When you type something in and click on other field, you'll see this gray loading icon appearing on the top corner of the screen after the word saved. That means the changes you just done on these fields have been successfully saved. You don't need to press a button or anything in order to save this. Just notice that you can modify the URL of the images, okay? For more information on what these fields are about and how you can become an expert on filling them, because it is an important part of the SEO, I'll leave you a link to a free Udemy lesson right below where you can learn how to fill these media tags using related sentences and words about the sites and the images. And that's it for this lesson. If you need anything else, don't hesitate on contacting me through the Bitrix24 chat. Take care, and I'll see you on the